Quincy asks, can sending too many follow-up emails be considered excessive? You don't want to be sending more than 1 to 2 emails a day to your list. I'll tell you why. The reason why you want to keep it to that is if you send more than 2 emails on any given day to your list, that's not only going to piss off your list and then they're going to unsubscribe very fast, but you're going to be marked as spam as well. And that's going to hurt your deliverability, your opens, and clicks. So what I recommend that you do instead is you want to make sure that your autoresponder is set up in a way that when somebody opts in to your list, they can get sifted and sorted through. So just only send 1 email a day to your list. Don't send more than that, otherwise you're going to be marked as spam.